There was once a man named Lucas, a well-known judge in an old coastal town. He was honest, fearless, and known for speaking the truth even when it hurt powerful people. One evening, Lucas was called to the royal court. The ruler looked at him and said, "By sunset tomorrow, you will be punished for standing against the crown." The guards were ordered to inform Lucas's family and seal his house. When the guards reached his home, they expected to see fear, chaos, tears. Instead, they found something strange. Lucas was sitting in his backyard with his wife and children. A simple dinner was being prepared. Soft music played in the background. Candles were lit. One guard hesitated and said, "Sir, you know what tomorrow brings, right?" Lucas smiled calmly and replied, "Yes, and that is exactly why today matters." The news spread quickly. People whispered, "He has lost his mind." That night, even the ruler couldn't sleep. Curiosity pulled him to Lucas's house. When he arrived, he saw laughter, warmth, peace. The ruler asked, "Are you pretending to be brave, or are you truly not afraid?" Lucas looked at him and said, "I am afraid. I am human. But fear is about tomorrow. Life is happening today." He paused, then added, "You gave me time, and I chose not to waste it." The ruler stood silent for a long moment. Then he said quietly, "A man who knows how to live in the face of the end has already defeated fear." The punishment was withdrawn. Lucas lived, not because he begged, not because he fought, but because he respected time. We panic because we live in what might happen. We suffer because we forget what still exists. You may not control the outcome, but you always control how you spend the time you are given. Don't waste it in fear. Live it fully.